Earn $20 every 10 minutes on autopilot. Imagine getting paid directly to your PayPal, Payoneer, or even your local bank account completely hands-free. With this simple print-on-demand business model, you can start earning passive income today. Best of all, it works worldwide, requires zero upfront investment, and is beginner-friendly. To get started, visit unsplash.com, pexels.com, or pixabay.com and download high-quality pet photos for free. Search for dogs or cats and choose images where a single pet is standing or sitting. Download at least 5 to 10 images. These will serve as the foundation for your custom designs. Next, go to Printify.com, a platform that allows you to create and sell custom products like pet mugs, phone cases, t-shirts, and pillows. Upload the pet images you downloaded and use Printify's tools to enhance them. Remove backgrounds, add pet names, or generate AI images for a unique touch. Once your designs are ready, preview them and save them to your account. Finally, connect Printify to platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Redbubble, or eBay to start selling. When someone buys your product, Printify takes care of printing and shipping. You just sit back and collect your profits. Shops like Modpus have already made over $1.6M using this system. Follow their lead, and you could start earning $20 every 10 minutes in no time. Sign up on Printify.com today and start building your online empire.